Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Coordinificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to play what you have just watched, a fingerstyle tutorial of Billie Bossa Nova. This is Billie Bossa Nova. A lot of you have been requesting me to do this tutorial, so I'm going to get to that today. Alright, so I'm assuming that you have already watched the initial tutorial. If you haven't, I will put a link to it in the description. It will teach you how to hold the chords to the song, and yeah, you can then watch this one for the fingerstyle. That one will teach you how to play it if you want to sing, right? But I'm also going to release a vocal cover on my covers channel, so if you haven't followed that, do subscribe to that also. Anyways, let's get into the tutorial. So the song is in fingerstyle. The song is basically the same as when you're trying to sing, like the basic chords. The only difference is instead of playing instead of playing the, we're trying to combine that with the, but the chords are going to remain the same. All right, so just a quick rundown. Starting from the verse, right? We have, that's the intro, and right now I'm just holding A minor, the bass, right? And on my strings 2 and 3, I'm holding fret 1 and 3 respectively, right? So strings 2 and 1, I'm holding frets 1 and 3 like that. So you have, you cycle down to the second fret, so that's 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, sorry, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, and then 2, open, 2, 2, open, 3. Alright, and the second time I'm just plucking again the bass, which is 6th string in this case for E minor, and I'm plucking 1 and 2. Right, so that's your intro. Right, and then we get into, this is on your 3rd string. You play open, 2, and then you go to 2nd string, open, 1, and then you come back, open, back to 3rd string, 2, open. Alright, so you can play this on 1 string. That's open, 2, on fret on string number 3, that's open, 2, 4, 5, 4, 2, open. But we're trying to keep it on the 3rd strings as much as possible, because this is I'm trying to simplify it, right? If you want, you can play, but that's a little bit complicated. So on string number 3, again, open, 2, and then you skip to string number 2, open, 1, back to open, and then you go to string number 3, back to open. Right, and then at this point we then play, right, that's bass for A minor, which is 5th string open, simultaneously with 2nd string. So 2, 3, right? Your strings 2 and 3. So you actually don't have to hold anything when you're playing that. I just play it because it's reflex. I know I'm playing A minor chord, so I'm just gonna hold the A minor chord. But anyways, that and then, sorry, and then that's 5 and 2 simultaneously, off to 3, right? And then you go again, and then you play, that's now E minor, and now I'm plucking 6, 4, 3, 2. So, and then you go to G, right? So again, we're gonna do that. That's the whole verse, just, and then A minor, right? And then G, A minor, right? And then E minor, G, right? And then we go into, and that part is essentially, this is a D minor chord, which is open, 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 2, 1, 2, right? So you play that while holding the bass for A minor, right? And this is pluck 5, 3, 2, 1, and then you strum down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So pluck down, up, down, up, down. So sorry, pluck down, up, down, up. Alright, so it's pluck down, up, and then you open again up. Okay, so you open the first string only and play again up. So and then 3 and 2 simultaneously, right? And then again, and then this time you don't pluck twice. 3 and 2 you just pluck once, and then you cycle. Sorry, it's 3 and 2 once, and then 1. So open, right? And now you're playing 2. That's 2 open. On third you go 2 open, 2, 2 again. 2 is the string, right? So second string off to third string and play 2 open, 2, and then off to second string again. So real quick, okay? So let's do that again. And then now, right now, what I want you to do when you're playing this is play the bass for E minor, right? So that's gonna be simultaneously. So, and then shift to G. All right? So here I'm just holding E minor, but you don't really need to hold it because we're not going to be playing the whole chord. And then G, right? And then from there we go into right, so that's second string open, 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, 2, and then you go to third string, second, again, second string, twice, and then, so that's second, second, 3, second, second, while you're holding second fret of the third string. So 2, 2, 3, 2, 2. This is a note from A minor, and then we go to E minor. Sorry, A minor. So now for A minor, we're going to be holding open, open, 2, open, open, open. So that's just the second fret of your fourth string. And I'm only plucking strings on that. You better close your door. Right, that's just 5, 4, 3. And then this is open, open on 2, second fret of third string, twice open third string, and then you come to the fourth fret of your fourth string. Okay, so 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, right? And you're holding these notes, right? So here you play and then you open. And then you go to E minor. Right, so that's the first time, right? So and then now you're playing the bass for E minor. Then A minor again. And then E minor again. You better lose your A minor, right? The first time. Na, 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 na. E minor. Na, 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 na. Again A minor. Na, 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 what we're gonna do. So A minor, we're only holding second fret of fourth string, and then E minor, and then A minor. So for E minor, we're only holding second fret of fifth string. For A minor, we're only holding second fret of fourth string, right? So that's pretty simple. First time, A minor, and then E minor, A minor again, E minor, and then this is open on third. We're playing third and fourth, so that's 3 4 3 4. But on fourth, we're holding fourth fret. So that's whole G. So I know G. Okay, and then from there we're going into the verse again. To this part. This is B minor 7 to A minor 7 to, sorry, B minor 7 to A minor, and then E minor. Okay, so, alright. So that's basically it for the song. Oh, we have that. This is 1 1 1 1 2, but on 1 1 we're holding second fret and then open, right? So, and then on second string we're holding 1, right? As if we're holding D minor, right? So this is open 2 3, open 2 3 5 7. Okay, so that's E minor, and then you go, this is a slide from 3 to 2, and then open 2 3, sorry, oh, open, sorry, slide, open 2, open, yep, and then again A minor, right? That's the slide that I showed you. So yeah, basically that's it, and you just combine that with your bass to make it sound like E minor, G, right? Yeah, that's basically it. Feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Unfortunately, I can't write tabs. I'm sure this would have been easier with tabs, but hey, one of y'all hit me with the link, so I'm gonna learn that like real soon. I've actually looked up the website and everything, so I'll be learning tabs, and tabs will be coming soon. But yeah, in the meantime, feel free to ask me anything. If there's like a note that you don't quite understand or whatever, I can type it out for you, because yeah, the purpose of this channel is to like help you guys out. So yeah, that's been it guys for this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.